Imagine you say, I speak. But if I say, I speak confidently, now it sounds more powerful. And that one extra word changes everything. And today we are going to learn about that powerful word, adverb. Okay? By the end of this video, you will understand adverb so clearly that you will start using it naturally in your daily life. So, without wasting any time, let's start the class. Now, I am going to talk about what is an adverb. Okay? So, first of all, an adverb is a word that gives more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay? An adverb is a word that gives more information about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. In simple words, adverb add extra details. Okay? यानी कि adverb verb के बारे में और adjective के बारे में और another adverb के बारे में, ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं. ओके, थिंक ऑफ ए एडवर्ब इज ए डिटेल वर्ड. ओके, डिटेल वर्ड यानी कि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के अंदर एडवर्ब ऐसा एक वर्ड है जो भाग के बारे में, एडजेक्टिव के बारे में और अनदर एडवर्ब के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स लर्न वन बाय वन. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वन, एडवर्ब डिस्क्राइब्स ए वर्ब. ओके, एडवर्ब डिस्क्राइब्स ए वर्ब. फॉर एग्जांपल, look at this sentence. He runs fast. Okay. Now ask the questions. What is the verb? The answer is runs. Okay. The answer is runs. And ask the questions. How does he run? The answer is fast. Okay. So here fast is an adverb. Okay, here are more examples. First one, she sings beautifully. Here, beautifully. Next, the baby cried loudly. Okay, the baby cried loudly. Here, loudly. And last one, she worked hard. Okay, she worked hard. Here, hard. These words are called adverbs. Okay, and here the adverb tells us how action happens. Okay, now we understood how adverb describes a verb. Okay, but adverb can also describe an adjective. Okay, so here adverb describes an adjective. For example, look at this sentence. She is very beautiful. Okay, she is very beautiful. Now ask the questions. What is an adjective? The answer is beautiful. Okay, the answer is beautiful. And ask the questions. How beautiful? The answer is very. Okay, so here very is an adverb. Okay, here are more examples. He is too tired. Okay, he is too tired. Here, too. And last one, the movie is extremely interesting. Okay, here, extremely. These words are called adverb. And here, the adverb gives us more information about an adjective. Now, something more interesting. Adverb can also describe another adverb. Okay. So here adverb describes another adverb. For example, look at this sentence. He runs very fast. Okay. He runs very fast. Now ask the question. What is the verb? The answer is runs. Okay. Next, ask the question. How does he run? The answer is fast. Okay. The answer is fast. So here fast is an adverb. Now ask the questions. How fast? The answer is very. Okay. The answer is very. So here very is an adverb. Okay. So adverb can give more details about another adverb. Okay. Now let's make it even more easier. Adverb usually answer 4 important questions. Okay. First one, how. Okay. Next, when. Next, where. And last one, how much. Okay. For example, he spoke softly. Here, how. Next, I will go tomorrow. Okay. Here, when. Next, come here. Okay. Here, where. And last one, I am very happy. Here, how much. If a word answer one of these 4 questions, it's probably an adverb. Okay. Now we already know that an adverb gives extra information. But the big question is, what kind of information? There are 4 main types of adverbs. Okay. First one, adverb of manner. Okay. First one, adverb of manner. Next, adverb of time. Okay. Adverb of time. Next, adverb of place. And last one, adverb of degree. Okay. If you understand these 4 questions, okay, if you understand these 4 questions, how, when, where, and how much, you will understand 80% of adverbs. Okay. Now let's learn one by one. Now let's talk about the first types of adverb, adverb of manner. So here, look at these definitions. An adverb of manner tells us how action happens. Okay. An adverb of manner tells us how action happens. Okay. For example, look at the sentence. He runs fast. Okay. So here, fast tells us how does he run. Okay. So here, fast is an adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb of manner. Next, she speaks softly. Here, softly. Next, the baby cried loudly. Here, loudly. And last one, he walked carefully. Here, carefully. These words are called adverb of manner. Okay. Adverb of manner. Most common manner adverbs end with ly. Okay. ly, ly. Okay. ly, ly. For example, quickly. Next, slowly. Next, happily. Okay. Quickly, slowly, and happily. But remember this, not always. Okay. Like fast, hard, and late. Now let's talk about the next types of adverbs. Adverb of time. Okay. An adverb of time tells us when something happens. Okay. An adverb of time tells us when something happens. For example, look at this sentence. I will go tomorrow. Okay. Here, tomorrow tells us when I will go. Okay. So here, tomorrow is an adverb of time. Okay. Next example. She came yesterday. Okay. Here, yesterday. Next, we are living now. Okay. We are living now. Here, now. And last one, I wake up early. Okay. Here, early. These words are called adverb of time. Okay, adverb of time. Most common time of adverbs are now, then, today, yesterday, soon, or last one, later. Okay, now we already know that how and when, but every action happens somewhere. Okay, so the next question is where. So let's move to the next types of adverb. Adverb of place. Okay, adverb of place. An adverb of place tells us where the action happens. Okay, an adverb of place tells us where the action happens. Okay, for example, look at this sentence. Come here. Okay, come here. Here the word tells us where to come. Okay, so here is an adverb of place. Next, go outside. Okay, here outside. Next, sit there. Okay, here there. And last one, the kids are playing upstairs. Okay, the kids are playing upstairs. Here upstairs. These words are called adverb of place. Okay, most common place of adverbs are here, there, outside, inside, upstairs, and last one, downstairs. Okay, great. Now we know how, when, and where. But sometimes we want to show intensity, like how much, how strong. So let's learn the last types of adverb. Adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. An adverb of degree tells us how much or how strong something is. Okay, an adverb of degree tells us how much or how strong. Okay, or how strong something is. Okay, for example, look at this sentence. I am very tired. Okay, here the word very tells us how tired I am. Okay, so here very is an adverb of degree. Okay, next, she is too happy. Okay, she is too happy. Here too. Next, he almost on. Okay, here almost. And last one, the water is extremely cold. Okay, here extremely. These words are called adverb of degree. Okay, adverb of degree. Most common adverbs of degree are very, next, to, almost, quite, or last one, enough. Okay, so that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to RBEnglishHub, and keep learning English.